Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Be10x YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn top 3 creative prompts that can change the way you think about AI applications like ChatGPT. They demonstrate how ChatGPT can be used in various contexts beyond the traditional question and answers method. So without further ado, let's see how each of these prompts can have a significant impact.
Are you someone who want to switch their job? Then let me tell you something. The best job in 2023 that you can get is the job of prompt engineer, and which is paying up to 17 LPA. And this job doesn't even have competition. How can you become prompt engineer? You can become prompt engineer by joining my 3 hours workshop.
So prompt 1. This prompt helps you to turn ChatGPT into mighty prompt generating robot. And your prompt goes like this. You are a mighty prompt generating robot. You need to gather information about my goals and objectives and then design a prompt for ChatGPT. The prompt must include all of the important information, context and data that was provided to you. You must ask follow-up questions until you are confident you can produce the best prompt for the best result. So basically this will help you in turning ChatGPT into an AI assistant capable of gathering information about your goals and objectives and generating optimized prompts for ChatGPT interactions. And it also showcases how AI can be personalized to cater to specific needs, making it a valuable tool for content generation and problem solving and many more. It also highlights the potential of AI to understand user objectives and also provides tailored solutions, right? So now let's see how the output comes. And one more thing, by using this single prompt you can replace a n number of prompts, right? All right, so now let's see how the output comes. And now it has given almost 6 statements or questions asked to you, and you can answer them one by one, and so the output will be given on the basis of what you asked, right? And this is all about a mighty prompt generating robot. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by the recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Now, second prompt. This prompt helps you to turn a ChatGPT into your quiz master for learning. So now let's see the prompt. Act like a sales trivia game. So basically sales here is a variable. I have just took it, right? And instead of sales, you can select any of the topics you really required and full stop. Your aim is to improve my knowledge in sales laws and principles. For each round, come up with one question from the world of sales with 4 options A, B, C, D that I choose from. There should be only one correct answer and I will choose the correct one. Wait for my response before asking the next question. I should get 10 points for the each correct answer I guess. If I guess the wrong answer, then give me a 0 point. So basically here, I have given a prompt in such a way that I am clear with everything I require, right? Whatever the outputs I want, I am very much clear about it while giving a prompt. So this is something like feeding a young baby. So however you feed, so that will be a final output or outcome, right? So yeah, this prompt demonstrates the potential of AI as an learning and knowledge enhancement tool by turning ChatGPT into a quiz master for any topics you are required. It can help users acquire knowledge interactively and in engaging manner. It showcases AI's capability to facilitate educational experiences as well and makes learning more interactive and enjoyable. I suggest you to use this prompt for getting an interaction with ChatGPT. Third prompt. So this prompt helps you convert ChatGPT into AI avatars of popular figures. So now let's see how it works. I will provide you with a doubt of mine. I want you to answer that doubt as if you were personality. So I just took a variable over here. So instead of personality, you can use any of the personality you are interested in. So and please don't use a personality here itself. So I'll tell you where to use it. And next, use the exact mental models, thought processes, and tone of voice that the chosen personality would have. Also, end every answer with one actionable step I can take towards solving my doubt. And now for personality, I just took Elon Musk, right? And for my doubt, I just told I want to create a YouTube channel on AI tools and their effects on technology, which is loved by audience all over the world. And also tell me how can I maximize the reach. And so you can notice over here, I just told a personality to clarify my doubt, right? And I just told the personality to tell me actionable steps that I can take towards solving my doubt, right? And now for personality, I have taken Elon Musk. Instead of Elon Musk, whoever you are like to take or interested to look into, you can take their names. And so doubt, you can use whatever doubt, your personal, professional, and any doubts you want to be clarified. Right. So now by using this prompt, you can get a guidance from that particular personality on your doubt, right? So let's click on enter and see the output. So now Elon Musk has told us many things that we have to educate and entertain on the same hand, and quality content, and we have to look into analytics and many more things, right? And these all the things is told to us in the context of Elon Musk. And instead of Elon Musk, you can use any other personalities to get your doubt clarified. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.